in all matters. So in other words, when it comes to matters of politics, we must become 10 times wiser. The church must get involved. See somebody get involved. See somebody get involved in politics. Stop being a puppet. Some of you need to stop being puppets. I will speak to you. Don't worry, let me say it. So that you must not hate you when you leave this place. Some of you must stop being puppets. You must question. I don't care if you vote for a political party that has spent 1,000 years or they spent 2 years. So a shaking must come even on people that have inhibited power and they've grown roots in those powers. A shaking must come. Until the matters that are looking at, I'm not saying vote for some, I'm just saying your conscience needs to be interrogated. You must stop being a puppet of many politicians. We want to influence communities. Can we celebrate the man of God as he comes? Please, join us. Sit here. Hallelujah. Celebrate him. Hallelujah. Get to a place where you are seeing somebody show being a puppet. We must get to a place where in meetings we will speak. In meetings we will let know the counsel of God. We have too many cowards and we have no churches. And every time you can look for sight, there is no church sight. There are so many cowards. So we have all the flags and all the names of the names that you can name that are possessing land. We need people that are going to possess land for Jesus. People that will stand up and speak the counsel of God. People that will stand up and speak for Elohim. Are you getting my point? So in this season, we will speak to them. We will speak until they come to visit our doors and knock, until they look for corruption on our name. And when they find that there is no corruption on our name, they will ask, where do you take this thing? No. I want us to look at one thing. Daniel was appointed governor. Daniel was appointed governor. Are you there, somebody? Daniel chapter 2:48. 2:48. Every believer must get involved in 2 ways in the area of politics. What we are going to do, this is why we want to make you have a Yakamasha kind of spirit. A spirit that says, I'm not going to speak for you, I'm not going to settle for this, we are going to advance. That's the case of John the Baptist. The Bible says, until now, the kingdom of God does what? Suffers violence. Number 2, the violence they take it by force. The church must not only get involved in politics. You think that's what the gospel is saying? This one is only political mandate. We need a health mandate. Yes. We need a medical health. They think when we are saying fast, why does a doctor say to somebody, stay away from this? They think that fasting means does not infiltrate. It is coming from the highest university of medical science. 10 times wiser. You need to know what? I'm asking you, how was it? 10 times wiser, 10 times better in all manners of every area of wisdom. So you must become wise. You must get to the place where you are so wise. We preach to people that if you see communities don't change, you must get what I'm saying. If communities don't change, we raise people that will go independent. And then many people say, but Pastor, how will you survive? Why do you think the church has survived for 5,786 years? Why do you think the church has survived and it has never died? The church is self-funding, we fund by the Spirit. We will get our own churches in the area, speak to all pastors, do what to go on a daily basis, do open areas, take our sound, take our church, do community meetings. And explain to the people how the church will help the community to move forward. And I'm telling you, if the mandate of God these days, I will speak. I don't know these days how a silent mouth works. I don't know. He that runs his mouth is ready for death. You must never think that I will speak and not be ready for death. Some people they think that they can threaten us with life. We come from a fallen kingdom. For us to die is to live. When we die, we know what I do. So I'm telling us, church, communities need to get right. I said it. I'm here. I'm here. Kimberly must know. Kimberly must know. It must know that there are people who have been raised by God. And we are not going to be afraid. We will not be led by the old prophet. We will be the young prophet. We are tired of the spirit of the old prophet that keeps on playing it safe. God said to the young prophet, fast. When you go to prophet, the old prophet said, God speak to me also. Don't fast. And we will disobey the old prophet. Every advice that is not aligning with what God has sent us, we will disobey it. You are only your God. This is what I want to do. Companies in Cuba must not shut down. I know some of you think I'm busy rallying. No, I'm not doing a rally here. I coach it and protest. And if you look around, you see billboards. Let them bring Kimberly back to the hands of Jesus. Stabilize the economy. Fix the electricity issues. Then we use these electricity issues as a voting strategy. All of a sudden, next things are flowing. And then the people think that the singers are no! We are wise. We've studied the markets. We've studied economics. We've studied politics. All